Hello friends, if you are watching this video, then you can earn more than lakhs dollar. And now your question is how? I will tell you complete business plan here. You have to watch complete video to earn more than lakh dollars if you want to earn. Yes, you have to invest only $3. $3 is only just a peanuts, nothing a big amount. It's a very low amount to invest and earn more than lakh dollars. And how can you earn? I will tell you on my screen. What is the company, name of the company, legal documents, each and everything you will find in the end of this video. So let's watch very clearly, very carefully. If you see and learn and listen, you will definitely earn 100% more than lakh dollar. Let's see. As you are very well aware that joining package is only $3 and company is providing two types of income. First, working income, second, non-working income. Let's see working income. There are 5 levels in working income. After joining this company or this plan, if you refer Mr. A, you will get $0.70. If Mr. A refer Mr. B, you will again get your income, that is $0.25. This is your second level. If Mr. B refer Mr. C, you will get again your income, that is $0.10. This is your third level. If Mr. C refer Mr. D and Mr. D refer Mr. C, you will get $0.01 from each of the person. This is your fourth and fifth level. Let's see star 1, that is totally non-working income. You need not to work any for getting this income. You will get this income without any work. Let's see how much you will get from star 1. Level first, you will earn $0.8 within 24 hours after joining this company. Level 2, you will earn $1.6 within 3 days. Level 3, you will earn $3.2 after 7 days. Level 4, you will earn this amount, that is $6.4 after 14 days. Level 5th, you will earn $12.8 after 21 days. But you have to upgrade your account after 3 level and upgrade amount is $6.6. Let me tell you benefit of upgradation of your business ID. Firstly, you have to upgrade your ID after getting income up to 3 level in each star, that is star 1 to star 10. Now I am going to tell you most important benefit of timely upgradation. After upgradation of your business ID, you will be eligible to take income from 4th and 5th level. You will also get income from next star. It may be star 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's see star 2. If you upgrade your business ID in star 1, you will enter in star 2 and here is your income in star 2. Level first, you will get $2.6. Level second, you will earn $5.3. Level 3, you will get $10.6. Level 4, you will get $21.2 and level 5, you will earn $42.4. And if you calculate your total income, you will see that you have earned about $82.4. But you have to upgrade here your account after 3 level and upgrade amount is $20. I have already explained you benefit of upgradation. Let's see star 3. After upgradation in star 2, you will enter in star 3 and here is your income. First level, you will earn $8. Second level, you will earn $16. Third level, you will earn $32. Level 4, you will earn $64 and level 5, you will earn $128. If you calculate your income, you will find that you have earned total income, that is $248. But you have to upgrade here after $3 and upgrade amount is $66.6 only. Let's see star 4. After upgradation in star 3, you will enter in star 4, and here is your income. Level first, you will earn $26.6. Level second, you will earn $53.3. Level 3, you will earn $106. Level 4, you will earn $213. Level 5, you will earn $426. If you calculate your total income in star 4, you will find that you have earned $826.4. But you have to upgrade your account to get another income, and upgrade amount is $200 only. After giving this upgrade amount, you will enter in star 5. Let's see star 5. In star 5, you will earn in first level, that is $80, $160 in second level, $320 in third level, $640 in fourth level, and $1,280 in fifth level. This is your income from star 5 without doing any work. If you calculate, you will find that you have earned $2,480 from the star 5, and you have to upgrade your account with $333.3 to take income from star 6. Let's see income of star 6. Here is your income from star 6. First level, you will earn $133. Second level, you will earn $266. In third level, you will earn $533. Fourth level, you will earn $1,066. In fifth level, you will earn $2,013. If you calculate your total income, you will find that you have earned $4,013. What happened? But you have to upgrade again after 3 level, and upgrade amount is $666. That means $666.6 only to take income from star 7. Let's see income of star 7. First level, you will earn $266. Second level, you will earn $533. Level 3, you will earn $1,066. Level 4, you will earn $2,133. Level 5th, you will earn $4,266. If you calculate your income, you will find that you have earned $8,266 with this star 7, and you have to upgrade your business ID after 3 level, and upgrade amount is $1,333 only. After that, you will enter in star 8. Let's see star 8 income. In first level, you will earn $533. Level second, you will earn $1,066. Level 3, you will earn $2,133. Level 4th, you will earn $4,266. In fifth level, you will earn $8,533. If you calculate your income, you will find that you have earned $16,533 easily. But you have to upgrade here after 3 level, and upgrade amount is $3,333.3 only. After this, you will enter in star 9 to take your income. Let's see star 9. In first level, you will earn $1,333. Second level, you will earn $2,666. In third level, you will earn $5,333. In fourth level, you will earn $10,666. And fifth level, you will earn $21,333. If you calculate your income from star 9, you will find that you have earned $41,333.1. You have to upgrade here with the amount, that is $6,666.6 to enter star 10 to take income from star 10. Let's see star 10 income. This is the last level of star 10. In first level, you will earn $2,666 from first level, $5,333 from second level, $10,666 from third level, 21,333 from fourth level, $42,666 from fifth level. Now you need not to upgrade your amount. All amount is yours. Your total income is 82,666. Total income is $82,666.4. If you calculate your total income from star 1 to star 10, you will find you have earned total income here. That is, you can see amount on my screen. This is your total income from star 1 to star 10, and you didn't work for this income. Yes, this is a non-working income. Let's see terms and withdrawal condition from this company. Joining amount, yes, joining amount is $3 only. Withdrawal, minimum withdrawal is $2. Payment will release Monday to Saturday within 24 hours. Admin charges and tax, admin plus TDS 50% deduction on every withdrawal. Now some very important point to remember. First, $3 is required to start this business. Yes, $3 is joining fee, and you have to pay through PayPal, and you will find detail here. Second thing, you have to upgrade your business ID after 3 level, star 1 to star 10. You will get your non-working income, but you have to upgrade your business ID after getting 3 level income. Third thing, you have to refer someone. Yes, after getting level income, that is non-working income, you have to refer someone to withdraw your income directly to your account. And fourth, if you feel any doubt, any confusion, anything else, you can contact us, and we have officially Telegram channel. You can join and ask whatever you want. Good day. Start your business and earn more than $1,00,000. Thank you.